So we are here in Hope Bay, which is a short drive from Port Antonio, to visit Susumba Vegetarian Restaurant. The restaurant was founded by pioneer and activist, radio DJ and all-around amazing character Sister P. Here she puts her amazing spin on Aitar veggie and vegan food, all with the food sourced right in her own backyard. So yeah, we're really looking forward to trying it. So this is just the stew, rice and peas.
The vegetable bowl, green sweet potatoes, poultry.
And what does the name Susumba mean?
Susumba? Susumba is a little green berry that grows.
Yeah, I heard people talking about it, use it in the juices.
And then the Haitians use it in their voodoo.
Oh.
And in Africa, they use it in their voodoo also.
So the Scotch bonnet's there?
Yes, Scotch bonnet's over there.
Yeah. So the stuff you use in the restaurant is literally coming from the back right here. And then coconuts.
Yeah, they have the sweet peppers. But the garden, because of the no rain for weeks, it mashed down the garden. But we use out all the greens already. But the beans that you ate today, they're coming straight off of them beans right there. And then we have people come. Sometimes they ask for tea.
Tea?
Yes. And so what we do is we just use it.
Oh my god, that smells incredible.
Yeah.
And so what is this?
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Oh, so you just boil it in a pot?
Fresh one. Right from here.
Mango tree up here. They used to make mango sorbet, and it's what you use for the mango juice as well.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah.
For the mango juice.
Top chef over there. Don't think you can see him. Top chef. The thing about Jamaica, casually just see a bunch of yams on the street. See how much that costs back in England. Woo! If I was cooking tonight, I'll definitely take one. It's so peaceful and tranquil here. It literally feels like the edge of the world. So I just want to say thank you to Sister P today for having me at her Susumba restaurant in Hope Bay, Portland. Amazing meal, and everyone should come here and check it out because it's incredible.
Oh, that's nice.
But it's a good thing. Also, you can get the game.
Like football? Football?
Football, yeah.
Yeah? What's your team? So I noticed this place when we came in from Kingston on the way to Port Antonio. This amazing fruit stand literally on the edge of the motorway in a place called Norwich. So if you're coming from Port Antonio, just get a route taxi towards Hope Bay and just ask them to drop you off at the fruit stand on Norwich.
Like a pretty girl. How's your money? Too much love. You are rich. I'm rich, you know. See, I'm rich.
That's how.
Now, be nobody, you know. Oh, be nobody.
Don't think nobody can get money.
No make nobody take your money. Anybody take your money.
Loving it. Literally standing on the motorway. Neesberries.
This one.
So I could get a route taxi back or hitchhike, but instead I'm gonna walk to Port Antonio, which is like there. It's gonna take about an hour. Amazing view. Walking on the fountain side of me. One thing you know about Jamaica is you see patchy grass like this, you know it's a trail that's been walked before, so it's good to go, even if it's the edge of the motorway. Yeah, so scenic. Could do this walk every day. Maybe not, but sure. We bumped into Stitch Lady today at the market. She's got all her lovely stitching on. Oh, she will. That's why the sign of a true designer, someone who wears their own stuff. So we're in Portland Market at the moment, just beside Portland Craft Market, and I just stopped by this really cool like local health food store in the market. And they've got all this amazing stuff, organic fruits, powders, herbs, and castor oil, which we've been looking for ages at an affordable price. There's honey, cold pressed coconut oil, and castor oil.